political face-off between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP that is only gathering more steam. You've heard the trading of barbs and seen poster attacks from both sides that lead up to the elections, and both the parties which are taking pot shots at the top leadership of each other's party leaders. The BJP, however, hasn't taken kindly to some of the social media posts and references made by the AAP and its leaders. Times Now has accessed details of at least 5 FIRs that has now been filed by the BJP against Aam Aadmi Party's social media posts and its leaders. In its complaints, the BJP has accused the Aam Aadmi Party of trying to spread misinformation and spreading inflammatory content on the Prime Minister and on the Home Minister. Let's take a look exactly what are the specific charges that has been made in the FIR before we play out a reaction coming in from the BJP. Now, the battle for BJP that is now heating up, this is the FIR that we are speaking of. The first FIR that has been filed by the BJP against the Aam Aadmi Party, and the charges that have been leveled is saying that Aam Aadmi Party's X post, that is a post on X, contained inflammatory remarks against the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. Then we talk about another FIR which has been filed by the BJP against the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal, and the charges that has been leveled saying that Aam Aadmi Party's post contains morphed and fabricated voice of the Home Minister, and the intent was to spread hate and destroy the communal harmony. Let's talk about another one as far as the BJP taking up against the Aam Aadmi Party with the charges being leveled saying that defamatory posts against the Prime Minister have been posted by the AAP leaders. Also saying that when it comes to a FIR that has been filed on the X handle linked to the Aam Aadmi Party, saying the BJP says that there is a bid to spread misinformation regarding PM's residence. Also another one, if we talk about, this one is against Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister Atishi and Bhagwant Mann, where the BJP goes on to level the charge saying that there have been provocative statements being made against the people of Bihar and UP. Let's listen in as far as reactions that have been coming in, but we also get you as far as the raging FIRs are now concerned, which the BJP claims that the Aam Aadmi Party is engaging in cheap politics by spreading morphed videos of the Prime Minister and of the Union Home Minister. The Aam Aadmi Party says that these FIRs are being registered to divert attention from real issues, and sources within AAP have also expressed apprehensions that if these FIRs probably in the next step would be to target Chief Minister Atishi and Manish Sisodia, where Kejriwal's party has slammed these FIRs as selective use of power and the abuse of state machinery. Let's go back to Tetri on this. So, Tetri, we are looking at multiple FIRs, BJP taking squarely on the Aam Aadmi Party here in this case. Of course, when it comes to asking why no FIRs are being filed against BJP leaders who are blatantly engaging in illegal activities, this is the counter charge coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, you see, this is not something new that we are witnessing when it comes to the Delhi Assembly elections. And in fact, earlier also, when it was about the posters, when it was about some kind of statements, these kind of FIRs were filed. And now one more not just one but 5 FIRs have been filed with regards to the videos that were posted by Aam Aadmi Party on its social media handle, on its social media platforms, and then BJP filed a complaint and then action was taken in which FIR is being filed. These were the morphed videos of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah as well, so that's why they have initiated an action. But now we'll have to see that how investigation proceeds further, what action is taken in this entire matter. As far as the statement coming in from Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, so Aam Aadmi Party has said that this is again being done deliberately to target the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party. Not just that, but they're also questioning so as to why the local bodies or the Delhi police is not taking action against those complaints that have been filed by Aam Aadmi Party. Now, this has certainly become a two-way fight when it comes to filing an FIR, filing a complaint, going to Election Commission asking to lodge a complaint and then file a complaint. So yes, certainly we'll have to see, that what actually happens next as far as these all FIRs are concerned, because you see, after these all allegations, Aam Aadmi Party, via what we also got to know via our sources, is that they also have said that not just the FIRs, but they also believe that in some time from now, the Delhi police could also arrest their leaders like Manish Sisodia, or in fact it also could be Chief Minister Atishi. So certainly we'll have to see
that has been cited by Arvind Kejriwal before. However, we have seen war of words, we have seen poster wars, we have seen letter wars, and now this is the war over the FIRs that is now being taking place ahead of the Delhi elections. Thank you very much, Tetri, for joining in. You're watching Time.